Tired of cookware that sticks, chips, or flakes after just a few uses? The NeverStick 11-inch wok changes the game. Thanks to its exclusive NeverStick technology, plasma ceramic particles are fused to the pan's surface at a blistering 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This creates a super hard, textured layer that bonds perfectly with the non-stick coating, giving you a cooking surface that stays smooth and reliable for years. Imagine cooking your favorite stir-fry or searing meats without worrying about food sticking or damaging your pan. What makes this wok stand out is more than just the non-stick surface. It features a hard-anodized exterior that's shot blasted to resist scratches, even those that would challenge stainless steel. That means your wok will keep its sleek look despite daily use. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids, handles, and all, so you can easily finish dishes in the oven or bake right in the pan. Whether you're browning toppings or roasting, this wok handles it all with ease. Inside, the heavy-gauge 4.5 mm aluminum base ensures quick, even heat distribution without hot spots. This thicker base contains 30% more aluminum than comparable models, meaning your food cooks evenly every time. You can sear like you would in stainless steel, but without needing extra oil or butter. From sautéing and griddling to braising and broiling, this wok adapts to every cooking style you throw at it. Cleaning up is just as effortless. The NeverStick surface wipes clean quickly and stands up to aggressive scrubbing without losing its non-stick power. It's also metal utensil safe and dishwasher friendly, made with only food-safe materials for peace of mind. Compatible with gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction stoves, this wok fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. One happy customer summed it up best: "Cooked stir-fry the day I got it, and all I can say is I'm going to be replacing all my non-stick cookware with the Ninja brand because this thing cooks. Made the best marinated chicken I've ever had and took no time. Perfectly browned and juicy on the inside." High heat wins with this pan due to the super thick base, but the even heat is amazing all around the whole pan surface. Highly recommend, and the price reflects the high quality. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware with something that delivers on durability, performance, and easy cleanup, the NeverStick 11-inch wok is worth a look. It comes with a 10-year guarantee, so you know it's built to last. Try it when you're ready to cook smarter, not harder.